Nuclear reactor is a system in which the nuclear fission takes place in a self-sustained and controlled manner, and the energy produced is used for either research purpose or for power generation. The first nuclear reactor was built in the year 1942 at Chicago, USA by a physicist Enrico Fermi. Major part of the nuclear reactors are the fuel elements, moderators, and control rods. Let's see about the essential parts of the nuclear reactor. Numerous reactors of different designs have been constructed all over the world for a variety of purposes. But there exist a number of general features common to all the reactors. The schematic diagram of a nuclear reactor is shown in visual. Next, let's see about the essential parts of a nuclear reactor. Fissile material of fuel generally used is uranium-235 in nuclear reactor, but it exists only in small amount of natural uranium, that is 0.7% only. Moderator. The function of the moderator is slow down the fast neutrons produced in the fission process, having on average energy. Ordinary water or heavy water are the commonly used moderators. A good moderator slows down the neutron by elastic collision, not by the absorption. Moderators are present in the space between the fuel rods in the channel. Graphite is also used as the moderator in some countries. Neutron source. A source of neutron is required to initiate the fission chain reaction for the first time. A mixture of beryllium with plutonium or radium or polonium is commonly used as a source of neutron. Next, let's see about control rods. Control rods are used to adjust the reaction rate during each fission. On an average, 2.5 neutrons are emitted, and in order to have the control chain reaction, only one neutron is allowed to cause another fission, and the remaining neutrons are absorbed by the control rods. Usually cadmium or boron are used as the control rods, and these are inserted in between the uranium blocks. The average number of neutrons produced per fission must be equal to 1. This is known as the critical state of nuclear reactor. If it exceeds 1, the nuclear reactor will be in the supercritical state and it may explode sooner. Shielding. For protection against harmful radiations, the nuclear reactor is surrounded by a concrete wall of thickness of about 2 to 2.5 meter. Next, let's see about the cooling system. The cooling system removes the heat generated in the reactor core. Ordinary water, heavy water, and liquid sodium are used as coolant since they have very high specific heat capacity and large boiling point under high pressure. This coolant passes through the fuel block and carries away the heat to the steam generator through heat exchanger as shown in the visual. The steam runs the turbines which produces electricity in power reactors. Working of nuclear reactor. Though the various types of nuclear reactor present worldwide, they have some common features. Now let's see about the working of pressurized water reactor. Inside the pressurized water reactor, reactor core is there, consisting with the uranium-235 as the fuel. When uranium-235 is hit by neutron from the neutron source, uncontrolled chain reaction taken place. This uncontrolled chain reaction produces enormous amount of heat energy, and thereby the fuel rods become hot. The fast neutrons are absorbed by the moderators and uncontrolled chain reaction become controlled one. and the heavy water becomes the pressurized one, and they are passed through the pressurized water loop, and the steam is generated. The generated steam is used to rotate the turbines, and condensed water, because of the cooling system, returns to be reheated. The rotating turbines are producing the electricity, and the produced electricity is passed through the grids for the consumers, like office, home, and for the factories. Thank you.